Here we have yet another Tannoy 15-inch silver, just sold on eBay a couple of days ago. This one is for parts not working. Let me see if I can just flick through some of the pictures here. These came out in the mid-50s. Now as you can see, this one is a lot of problem with the cone there. If you look at that, now look, let's take you to that. Obviously got damp, ripped. Might be a closer picture of that. No, it looks like that's it. Anyway, that speaker. Alright, there's a better picture there. That's quite a state for a... You can get the cones, they're about $600 just for that, if you can find one. But anyway, that's sold for that amount. Good condition, they sell for $5,500. I've seen some go for more money, as in $7,500. But there you go, they're a fabulous sounding speaker. Once you've heard Tannoy, especially the 15-inch from the 50s and 60s, they are unreal. I have a set of the next setup, the Reds, Tannoy 15 Reds in GRF cabinets. Actually, you probably see them there. There's one of them. And on top of that, I've got my ESS AM T1A. They're the rear speakers for my quadraphonic reel-to-reel deck systems, which are right about there. That's an Akai GX270 DSS, and that's a TAC A2340 quadraphonic decks, and I've got quad tapes, a lot of them, originals. In fact, I've got Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon, Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon, not quadraphonic but simul-sync 4-track, which I've got a tape, a video I mean, on eBay. So alright, interesting to some, others it's boring, I get it, yeah, but I like to archive these Tannoy speakers because I feel like it. There you go.